Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Buy Me a Coffee membership. So if you no longer want to support a creator, or you want to stop monthly payments, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step in 2026. First, log into your Buy Me a Coffee account using the email you used for the subscription. Yeah, this is important because memberships are tied to that specific login. Next, go to the My Account section, then open Payments and select Memberships. Here you'll see all the creators you're currently supporting. Now find the membership you want to cancel and click View Details. This will open a window where you can manage that specific subscription. Next, click the Cancel Membership option and confirm your reason for leaving. Yeah, once you confirm it, your subscription will be stopped, but you'll still have access until the end of your current billing period. Make sure you cancel before the renewal date. If you cancel after it renews, you won't get a refund for that cycle, and the cancellation will only apply to the next billing period. Quick tip: if you subscribed through your mobile app store like Google Play or Apple, you may need to cancel it from there instead of the website. So always double check where you originally subscribed, and that's basically it. You now know how to cancel a Buy Me a Coffee membership in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you manage your subscriptions easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.